you are new here, welcome. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe by the time that you leave this video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey family, how y'all doing? How y'all skin doing? How y'all hair doing? How y'all life goes doing? It's 2019, we going towards the middle. Have we been working on the things that have we been doing the things that we need to be doing? Today we are going to be doing something to my hair, a wash, stop, and go with some new products that I have not used before that I'm so excited to use. One of them is the green Eco Style Gel that I don't know how y'all feel about that, but we're gonna use that today. And the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I'll put both of those in the description and also show y'all what they look like on this video. And we are going to be coming out with this cute look. So if y'all want to see that, make sure that you keep up with this video. All right guys, so I am going to unwrap my hair. We are out of a fresh wash and my hair is super soft. I also did a conditioner and I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner on this hair, but it's just for my shower. It was nothing big at all. It actually was not even a leave-in conditioner. It was just some regular conditioner. That's just like a little tip that I like to do whenever I get out of the shower, is to apply some more of the conditioner that I use in my shower into my style. I'm actually kind of feeling a side part today. And this literally just happened on camera because I was gonna get on here and do a middle part. But it looks like we're gonna be doing a side part today. What about this side?
I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate.
Okay, so we're gonna do a side part today. That's not something that we've done, so we'll do a side part. Today we are doing a wash and go, of course. Wash, stop, and go. Don't forget, we're gonna stop and get this hair moisturized. I'm gonna start off first with sectioning my hair, but I'm gonna start with a part to section it off since I am doing a side. Products that I have not used before, especially in combo with one another. So I am excited to see how it's going to tune out. I know some of y'all are not a fan of Eco Style Gel. I know y'all have canceled it, but I am not canceling unless I see that it is not good for my hair, okay? After that, we can determine if it's canceled as far as ShaySpectrum goes. Okay, so I'm gonna start on this back section first. I'm going to split this one more time. This is just the area where I'm going to start applying the actual product. Okay guys, so I am going to start by applying the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream. I have not used this product, so I am excited about it again. I am going to squirt about this much. And I'm gonna mix that onto the bottom portion of my hair, making sure that I get all the way to the roots. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go through with my comb. I know many people use the Denman brush. I preferably don't use the Denman brush when I'm trying to get some length in my wash and go, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do this time around. So I am going to be using a comb, a wide tooth comb.
She told me it's not your.
After putting in that product, I am going to apply my gel, which is the Eco Style in the green container. I hope that I do not regret this. I know many of y'all do not like Eco Style now, but I know some of y'all still love it, which is great. So I'm trying that maybe to change all of our opinions. And then I'm going to rake it. and then follow it up with the praying hands. I really love this method because I just feel like it actually gives my hair length while still maintaining the curl pattern of my hair. Unlike whenever I do like shingling, I feel like it also takes a really long time and my curls come out so tiny and so tight, which is beautiful, but also when you have length, you want to show off the length. You want the length to be heard. And for those reasons, I like the shingling method better. So I'm gonna continue the rest of this section. As you can see, I just parted it again, and then I will apply my gel on my styler. I'll let y'all watch that process, and then I'll check back in with y'all once that is complete. So guys, I've noticed that my hair is getting a little dry, and so I'm going to apply my just regular water in a spray bottle to the hair so that it's not too dry. I don't want it soaking wet, but I also don't want it super dry either.
I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize the truth.
Okay guys, now that we have applied the last bit of our product, I am waiting to see the results of what this wash, stop, and go is going to be looking like. I'm a little nervous at if the Cantu product is going to mix well with the Eco Style Gel as I've seen with the Extreme Gel. But before we sit under the dryer, we are going to lay our edges. I am going to use the Eco Style Gel to do that process much like I do when I do the Wetline Extreme Gel. I am not a fan of most edge controls. I haven't had good experiences with them. Hopefully I can find one that eventually I like. I found very often that they're either super hard, like they just dry out your edges, or they clump up and get buildup and have dandruff looks to it, and I don't like it. So I like the gel, and so far I've had success with it. So hopefully I also have success with this Eco Style as I have with the Wetline Extreme. I am going to only be focusing my baby hairs on this side because of course this side is covered. I may do a little something at the top but nothing too much, just because of the fact that it's not going to be visible anyways. And so yes, baby hair time.
I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never want to watch the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blue.
Okay guys, now that I have laid my edges, I am going to add some Jamaican black castor oil to my hair before I sit under the dryer. With having low porosity hair, I find this is the best way to get my scalp moisturized and make sure that the products actually get into my scalp and actually penetrate the hair follicle through using the heat method whenever I do my wash, stop, and go process. Many of you that watch my channel already know that I have a mobile sit under dryer thing that I use, and I love it. It's so efficient. Y'all should definitely check into investing into one. If y'all would like to know where I got this one from, let me know down below and I will search for the vendor. I got this at my local beauty supply store, but I'm sure there's an online vendor somewhere that has either something very similar or this exact one. I'll sit in the dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes and then I'll come back to y'all with the final look. With the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Screen. Y'all, I love the combo. I have pulled this hair out and it looks fabulous. I am not canceling Eco Style Gel right now at the moment. I need some more reasons as to why I should cancel this product because it's holding my hair just as well as the Wetline Extreme Gel was holding my hair. And if that is the case, then why are we canceling? I know some people say like, oh, there's different like products in there. I'll have to search that on my own. I am only going off of hearsay. But y'all, my hair loves it. My curls are defined. I even pulled them out and I still have curls. I've gotten so many compliments already on this look. I had to go somewhere today and people have been asking me over and over again, what products am I using in my hair and if this is even my hair. And so it's so funny to see. I'm gonna give y'all a full view really quick of what it's looking like even on the back side. So hopefully we are popping like we have been. Yes, honey, it looks good. I promise it looks good in person too. Like, the curls look so good. I actually love also that I did a side part on this look. I told y'all that's not something that I've done. I think even since I started doing the wash, top, and goes. And so I like the side part action that we have. I only had to do a little bit of my edges over here, which I don't mind that either. It took a lot less time. Y'all, my hair has so much volume. It feels moisturized. It feels full. It doesn't feel like my hair is being weighed down by anything. I really love the way that this came out. So make sure that you go and try this combo. If you do, let me know. I said we're gonna have to create a hashtag. I'm still thinking of one. I think I got one, but I'm gonna let y'all know maybe in the next video what that hashtag would look like in my next hair video. Okay, so we'll see if we can get that hashtag started. Again, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know any feedback that you have down below, anything that you want to say, anything that you want me to try. And until then, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, family.